Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna talk about decorations or how to set up a Christmas theme over here. Yes, we're gonna set up some basic decorations, very easy to do. This one you can buy anywhere. This is just plastic pine leaves. It's a garland. I think you can buy this in IKEA for a few dollars, and it gives the table lots of texture. And don't forget to buy these lights too. These lights, I think you can also buy them in IKEA too. It's the switches over here, very cheap I guess. And this plate, it's the silver line plate over here. It's silver, yeah. This is the Noritake plate. These kind of plate have really nice patterns, so you can use these kind of plate. If you don't have these kinds of plate, you can just use any plain white plates. And this is from the flea market. I'm not sure where is it from, but yes, you can get this very easily. And of course you have your wine glass. You can get them at Daiso. This one too, you can get them at Daiso, your candlelight stick stand. And you can use green candles for this motif, and the white candles for this red and green and white motif over here. And of course this is the main star of our decoration, the main star of the centerpiece. You have your wreath, this donut type garland you see here. So all you need is just red Christmas balls, few pieces of them, not too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 pieces of them. You have to have some red berries for accents and some gold pine. Your decoration doesn't have to be a lot for it to stand out. The lights help with all the texture, with all the backgrounds. The light is the hero here. So what I'm trying to point out is few decorations with lots of texture and lights. So this is the view when the main light is off. So yes, this is what we're trying to achieve here. See? Very simple decoration scheme. You have 2 long tables that are interconnected. That are connected here. You can just use red towel, table napkins, white plates, and white tablecloth, crystal glass of any kind. Oh, I think this is real crystal. The sound is nice. But you can get anything from Daiso. All of the things you see here are not expensive. I repeat, they are not expensive. I think the only expensive thing here is the plate, because they're lined with some sort of silver or gold. But this Noritake plate is expensive. It's not cheap. That's the only expensive thing. But the rest of the finish here is all cheap and affordable. Yes, I repeat, your Christmas decoration doesn't have to be extravagant or grandeur. If you have the leftover plates or anything that you can come up with, you can add it to your collection or your centerpieces, such as this wine flask from Daiso, and you have your antique plates. Your tableware with decoration is much better. These doesn't cost a lot. I think the silver color is important here because it gives this background, it gives enlightenment, it gives like this sort of shine you can see here. Yes, it's very Christmassy, especially it goes well with the white accent here. The theme is gold, white, silver, red. I'm not sure about the theme, but the motif is absolutely Christmas. It's simple Christmas. Doesn't have to be very grandeur, extravagant. See, this is the centerpiece over here, the center line. It is important to have this simple center line here. Yes, this is very important. So one more time, we're going to talk about how to decorate your home for a simple Christmas look that looks very extravagant. First of all, you will need white plates with silver margin. If you don't have white plates with silver margin, anything white will do. Any plate will do. Any white plate will do. Any plate from Daiso or the market will do. Next, you have to have nicely designed table napkins. This gives out the texture, the color. It adds life to your centerpieces here. So this is important. And the theme over here, as you can see, is mostly white. You'll also need crystal glasses. It doesn't have to be crystal, of course. These are from Daiso. They don't cost a lot. They just cost maybe a few bucks. So, important thing again, the plate should be white. This should have design and color, the table napkins. You have to have your glass. And this one too. This is from IKEA. The light is also from IKEA too. Very cheap. I think this is like $3. This one, I'm not sure how much, but I think they come very cheap too. And your garland doesn't have to be very extravagant. Just use maybe 6 red Christmas balls and few golden pine accents, decoration pieces, and few red berries. Make sure they're all around. You have to add them all around. And I'll give you our main starlight point. The main starlight point here are the lights. Because without the lights, all of the decorations would look bland, would look not so good. So this is what I'm trying to say. If you turn off the light, it's all Christmas. You can see the sign of Christmas. You can see the accents of Christmas. It's all, what do you call this? You can feel the spirit of Christmas when the lights are out, especially with this Christmas lights here, the accent that go with it. Of course, don't forget the candles. They're really important. The candles make it stick out a lot. The candles are really important. The table napkins. Of course, don't forget to add some knickknacks like this cute little Christmas tree and some unchristmas decorations which are not Christmas too, and more shiny things, more white plates with shiny liners. They really do the job. They give lots of shiny coverage, shiny textures. They help illuminate your empty space, especially the lights. The lights help fill out those empty spaces. Few of them, but you can see a lot of difference. Here, this is a very simple piece which consists of 2 candles and 1 light piece over here. Yes, this is what I'm trying to say. This looks very holiday. This looks very inviting. It looks a lot like Christmas. This decoration over here looks very much like Christmas already. You have your glowing pine. You have 2 sets of candles over here. You have 2 sticks of silver candles, big ones. And you have this piney garland that wraps around it, which looks very nice. And there are not much materials that is needed. There are not much materials that are needed for this centerpiece over here. Just 2 candles, 1 pine cone lamp, and the garland. The garland is what makes everything nice here. The simple, the better. You don't need to have lots of decoration for your Christmas to be extravagant. And even without the light, it looks very nice. You have your Christmas dining table over here. I think this is for food because this is where the food will be placed. And you can see this cute little accent here with the red candle. We're talking about the point. See, it's just one. It's just few, so you don't get all these colors messed up. You have your focus over here. This is the focus over here. It's really, really nice, and you can really smell the spirit of Christmas. And I really like this warm Christmassy accent over here. It says Merry Christmas with all these golden balls inside. And you have your wood accents over there. Yes. And this Christmas candle that's on a long base over here. Yes. So there's no need for big Christmas lights or anything like that. And this is the look from this angle. Yes. As long as you have few shiny objects over here, such as this. And the point of Christmas. What is the point of Christmas? If your objects are very shiny and you have 1 decoration that is Christmas or 2, the rest of them will look Christmassy. Because Christmas is all about colors and matching. This decoration accents and gives the theme to other decorations. See? As you can see. There's a cute little snow angel here. Oops. And you have all these crystal things. They're really important. The candles and the warm lights. Your light should be very warm. Warm, not like white light. You need a warm colored light. And paintings help too, to bring in that warmness in your home. When you are cold outside and you see paintings inside, it lets you feel that you're welcome inside. And you can see the painting of the outside world such as this. It makes you really at peace, and you can feel the summer colors in Christmas. As I repeat, lights are very important here. Lights, few accents. Yes, this light, we just picked it up from the garbage can. And this light was given for free too. Wow, what a nice thing to see. The warm lights, the accents. And the small minor decorations to the major centerpieces here. I think the major centerpiece here is this garland. This garland itself gives the spirit of Christmas to our table. Yes. So all you need is just a silver plate. I repeat, the silver plate, the crystal cups, glasses, which makes up, and of course your silverware. So you can copy this if you want to decorate your Christmas home, your Christmas table, your Christmas party. This is excellent for simple Christmas parties such as this. It doesn't need to be extravagant. It just needs to be simple. And most importantly, you have to make your guests feel welcome. I repeat, all the decorations are nice and good, but the most important thing is you have to make your guests happy. Make them feel welcome. Make them feel important. Your guests should feel important and warm when they step in and enjoy the spirit of Christmas. Yes. No matter how nice the decorations are, if your guests don't feel happy, then the spirit of Christmas will never be here present. So Christmas is all about simplicity, thankfulness, and keeping one another happy and contented. And of course, we should commemorate and enjoy our Lord's gifts for us. Anyway, if you like what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. And I hope you will have a Merry Christmas. Just because it's a pandemic doesn't mean Christmas should not be enjoyed, right? Yes, I know lots of people are suffering right now. But for those people who can decorate their house, why not? After all, Christmas is all about keeping the Christmas spirit up. Doesn't mean the world suffer, you have to suffer too.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.